Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kat. Welcome back to the line series. We are on day 4. In this routine, we're going to be focusing on stretching out the front part of the body. So if you feel like you've got a tight chest, then this is going to be really good for it. We're also going to be working on a little bit of shoulder and upper back mobility. So when you're ready, then let's get those joints nice and juicy. So we're going to start by mobilizing our shoulders and our spine. So you can come onto your knees or you can also sit cross-legged, up to you. So first we're going to have your hands on top of your hips, on your thigh here. Take a deep breath in and exhale there out. One more time. Lengthen out through the crown of the head. Good. On your next one, when you inhale, lift your shoulders towards your ears. Exhale, slide them down your back. And again, slide your shoulders towards your ears. Exhale, relax. One more time. And exhale. Good. I'm going to show you from the side what we're going to do. Inhale, bring your shoulders all the way up towards your ears. As you exhale, circle them back behind your body and back down to center. And again, inhale, circle them up towards your ears. Exhale, circle them back behind and down. One more time in this direction. Good, let's reverse. Let's go all the way up towards the ears. Exhale, circle them back in front. And again. Last one. And bring it back to center. Shake it out. Perfect. Bring your arms all the way in front of you so they're shoulder distance apart. Spread the fingertips. Lengthen out through the crown of the head and tailbone so your spine is nice and straight. It's in its natural spine curve. Draw your abdominals up and in so your spine is supported. Inhale here. Let's tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale to come back. And again. Inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale to come back. And again. So we've done this several times before. Just remember to isolate from your lower back to your tailbone. As you tuck your tailbone, you're not flexing your whole spine. It's half of the spine. Here you will find that you're lengthening your lower back and shortening it. We got one more. Good. Come back into the natural spine curve. And when you're ready, let's inhale. Tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, round your lower back. Then your middle back. Come all the way up. Upper back. Push that floor away and relax your head. Look in between your thigh. Inhale here. Exhale, untuck from the tailbone first. Then bring your lower back into the natural spine curve. Then your middle back, upper back, head last. Lengthen the back of the neck. Let's go again. Inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, start to round your lower back. Then your middle back and upper back. Inhale here. Exhale, untuck from the tailbone first. With control, see if you can do your lower back first. Then your middle back. And upper back, head last. So you notice that you might not be going into an overextension like this. You're coming back into the natural spine curve. Let's go again. We've got two more. Inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, start to round. So notice whether or not you're stronger in one side, like on this side or this side. And if you are finding that you have one side stronger than the other, think about maybe putting a little bit more pressure onto the other side that's weaker. And exhale, unwind first. With control, come back into the natural spine curve. Lengthen the back of the neck. Swivel your legs around and sit tall on your sit bones. Place your hands behind your thigh. Your feet are hip distance apart. Press into your feet here. Make sure your knees are parallel. They're not collapsing in or opening up like this. Sit tall on your sit bones. If you need to move your junk backwards, do so. And lengthen out through the crown of the head and tailbone so you're sitting up nice and tall. Inhale here. So you're just letting your hands rest behind your thigh. You're not grabbing onto it. It's just there. Inhale. Let's tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, round your lower back, so you're rolling onto the back of your sit bones. Relax the shoulder. Inhale here. Exhale, lead with the forehead, come all the way over. Take a big breath into the back of your ribs. Exhale, let's slowly start to lengthen up nice and tall. Inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, round your lower back. Roll onto the back of your sit bones, press into your feet. Your knees are parallel. Inhale here. Exhale, lead with the forehead and lengthen up nice and tall. We got 2 more. Good. Last one. On your next one, let's come all the way back out. We're going to lead with the forehead, come all the way forward and lengthen up nice and tall. From here, let's tilt the head backwards behind you. So you're lifting your chest up towards that ceiling so you get a little bit of an extension. Inhale here. Tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, start to round your lower back. And again, lead with the forehead. Exhale, start to lengthen up nice and tall. Exhale, let's lift the chest up towards that ceiling. Try and relax the shoulder. And let's inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, round your lower back. Let's lift, see if you can lift a little bit higher. And let's come all the way back. We're going to come up into a nice seated position, up nice and tall. Let's interlace our hands and place our head into our hands. Open up the elbows nice and wide. And relax the shoulder. Inhale here. Exhale, let's come all the way over to our left hand side. Make sure you're pressing into your feet and your knees are parallel. And come back. Keep lengthening out through the spine, nice and tall. One more time. Last one. Perfect. On your next one, let's roll all the way back onto our sit bones. We're going to hold it here. So here, press into your feet. Make sure your legs are active. Think about squeezing your 2 hip bones together into the center and lift it up to control the lower core. Inhale here. Exhale. Make sure you're pressing into your feet. You're going to rotate all the way over to your left hand side. Inhale. Exhale. Let's come back over to the other side. And again. Last one. From here, let's extend our arms out towards in front of us. Inhale here. Exhale, let's lift both the arms up and back. So notice that as you extend up, are you raising your shoulders with you or are they relaxed? And again, exhale. Notice whether or not how far you can go. As soon as your rib and hip connection changes, bring the motion back in or the range of motion back in. We got 2 more. Last one. Let's hold it out here. From here, inhale here. We are going to roll down onto the floor. As you exhale, let's slowly start to tuck the tailbone towards your belly button. Roll onto your lower back. See if you can touch your lower back onto the floor. Press into your feet. See if you can touch your middle back this time. Upper back. Head last. Roll shoulders back. Bring your arms towards the floor. Let's roll all the way over to our side. Lie into your arm, your bottom arm, palms facing the ceiling. So your knees are 90 degrees out. Stack the knees and ankle. Bend the elbow and place your hand behind your head. Extend the top hip away from the top rib towards that wall behind you. Draw the core in and lengthen out through the neck or crown the head so your neck is nice and long. Inhale here. Exhale, let's open up, rotate back. Make sure your hips are stacked as you come back. Think about rotating from the rib here, from up here, and come back. Let's go again. Exhale. Exhale to come all the way back. See if you can go a little bit further this time. Continue stacking that hip and come back. Last one. Exhale. See if you go a little bit further than last. Inhale here. Hold it there. Exhale. See if you go a little bit wider. Make sure you can still see your elbow. On your next exhale, we're going to come back. And come back to center. Perfect. Let's roll over to the other side. So lie on top of your arm. Knees are stacked, ankles are stacked. Top hip extend away from the top rib. Draw the core in. Lengthen the back of the neck. Bend at the elbow. Place your head into your hand. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's open up. Keep the hips stacked. And back. Exhale to rotate. And back. See if you go a little bit further than last time. And back. For the last one, we're going to hold it out there. Inhale here. Exhale. See if you go a little bit further back. Keep your hips stacked. Try and relax the shoulder. And come back. So roll onto your stomach. Create a little diamond shape and place your forehead into that diamond shape. So in this position, your pubic bone and hip bones are touching the floor. Draw the core up and in so that your spine is supported. Relax the shoulders and think about lengthening out through crown the head and tailbone in opposition so your spine is nice and long. Press firmly into the floor with your legs. Inhale here. And exhale all the air out. One more time. Good. On your next one, imagine that the diamond shape is glued to your forehead. Inhale here. As you exhale, slowly start to peel up bone by bone. So you're lengthening up the spine to the wall in front of you. Inhale here. Exhale, let's come back. And again. Inhale into the back of the ribs. Exhale, let's lift up. And back. Here we're strengthening the middle back. We got two more. Last one. Good. Take a breather here. On your next one, we're going to come back up again. We're going to hold it there. So when you're ready, inhale here. Exhale, let's peel up bone by bone. Lengthen that spine to the wall in front. Inhale here. Exhale, extend your arms and back. So you're going to try and extend your arms up into a Y shape. Turn the thumb out towards the wall behind you and bend. And again. Breathe into the back of the ribs. Squeeze the upper back. Last one. And with control, exhale, slowly peel back, bone by bone. Bring your hands towards your shoulder. Tuck your toes under. And push yourself up into a 4-point kneeling position. Bring your knees in and sink your hips towards the heels and walk your hands along the mat. Take a big breath in. One last time. And then on your next exhale, let's slowly roll up. We're going to restack that spine. So tuck the tailbone towards your belly button. Stack your lower back. Then your middle back. Upper back. Head last. Roll your shoulders back. So interlace your hands. Open up the elbows. Relax the shoulder. Lengthen up that spine. Draw the core in. Inhale here. Exhale, let's reach that elbow up towards that ceiling. Make sure you're sinking both your hips down into your heel to really get that opposition in stretch in the whole side body from here all the way down. Inhale. Exhale, let's come back over to the other side. Reach that elbow towards that ceiling. Sink that left hip and come back. Let's go over to the other side. As you lift this elbow up, make sure that you're not rounding forward yet. You're nice and straight. As you extend up and come back over to the other side and back. On your next one, let's come all the way up. Lift your elbow towards that ceiling. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's reach the elbow towards the corner at a 45-degree angle. You're going to reach out through here, so you're going to feel all along your back as well. Inhale here. Exhale, let's come back. And let's go again. Exhale, let's reach through the elbow. And come back. Last one. Reach up and then rotate. And back. Let's go the other side. Reach your left elbow towards that ceiling. Inhale here. Exhale, let's rotate 45-degree angle. Reach out through the elbow. If you want to place your hand onto the floor, you can as well. And up. And exhale, let's go again. See if you can reach a little bit further. And back. Last one. And back. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed that little routine, then give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you liked it. Leave a comment below if you have any requests or suggestions. And if you want to join me in the next video, then subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that little notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.